Everyone, here's your boy Chiranjeev, and today I am going to show you how to download Python's latest version. Is something about 3.10.6. So let's go to the browser and search for Google. And on Google, we can search Python. Then we can click on this downloads from here, and it shows the 3.10.6 version. It's latest according to this month. Now we can download it. Let me just open it, the setup, and it's opening. Now here comes the main step. You have to click on the box of add Python to the path. It's very important step. Now we can do customize installation, and yes, we can leave everything as it is. It's not required to change anything now. Then we click on next. Now here you have to click on the tick box for install for all users, and everything is okay. And yes, you can copy this installations file location, or you can find it in your C drive or whatever you know. Now let me sip a drink of tea, cause it will take some time, and you can take two. Now setup is installed, and now we can go to C drive to find out the Python's installation location, cause it's helpful for many time. And here it is. And now we can search cmd and open command prompt, and here we can write python spacebar dash dash version, so it will show the version. Yes, it's the latest. We can also check the pip version, python's pip package version, pip spacebar dash dash version, and it will show. Oh, I wrote the wrong. Let me write it once again. Yes, now I think it shows the latest one, 22.2.1. Now we can write py on cmd to check whether Python is working or not, and we can print any stuff you want. I will print my name, and let me check. Yes, it is working, of course. And that's pretty much for this video. If you liked the video, then you should press that like button and subscribe to my channel for more coding related videos which are coming further. Thanks for watching.